we would like to give a special thanks to Hasbro for sending us these toys as a gift to review. Today on Unbox Daily, we are taking a look at Disney Descendants 3 from Hasbro. Yeah! We're headed back to Oregon and the Isle of the Lost. I can hang out with Dizzy at the Curl Up and Dye Salon. I could use a new do. Or say what's up to my girl Uma. Yeah! I guess you can tell we are super excited. Descendants 3 will premiere on Disney Channel August 2nd, 2019. And thanks to Hasbro, we get to check out a few of the dolls right now. Are you ready?
To play Who's That Descendant? I am your host, Naveen. Her mother was not a very nice queen, but this apple falls far from the tree. Who's that descendant? And the answer is Evie!
Here is the Descendants 3 Evie. She has a new outfit, and it looks like new eyes. On the back of the box, there is a picture of the actress who plays Evie in the movie, and on the side it says, Evie, determined to give all VKs a chance at happiness in Oregon. Let's get her out of the box for a closer look. Out of the box, she has blue hair with a slight curl at the end, a red, black, and blue dress that says Evie's for hearts on the side, and has a picture of the heart with a crown on the back, with matching pants that has texture at the knees. And they also say Evie's for hearts on the lower leg. She has blue and red boots and red gloves sculpted to the hands. When compared with previous Evies, you can see that the face paint has definitely been changed. The eyes are very different, and so are the eyebrows. But she is still articulated with movement at the head, shoulder, elbow, wrist, hip, and knee. I am really glad to see that the articulation is still there. But I wouldn't mind if they had Marvel Rising knees.
Round 2. Need an extreme makeover? Never fear! The Curl Up and Dye Salon is here! Name that descendant! I hope you said Dizzy!
Dizzy is back for Descendants 3 with a new outfit. Dizzy is excited to start a new life on Oregon. Out of the box, she has a new outfit. It is all one piece with an asymmetrical cut, jean on one side and paint splatter on the other, going down to a paint splatter skirt with multicolored tulle at the bottom. The pattern continues around to the back, and the dress closes with Velcro. She has purple lace-up shoes, a dark purple necklace, pink glasses with gold details. Her hair is styled in 2 buns with yellow and pink highlights. When compared to the previous Dizzy, they look pretty much the same. However, there is a difference in the articulation. Descendants 3 Dizzy has movement at the head, shoulder, hip, and knee. I am really missing that elbow and wrist joint.
Round 3. Our next guest wants everyone to know her name. Say it louder and name that descendant! The one and only Uma!
In Descendants 3, Uma is back and rockin' a whole new do. With her pirate gang and magical shell necklace, Uma shows she's still fierce as ever. Out of the box, Uma has traded her braids for a twist and some light curls. Her hair is still teal and black. She wears a long sleeve top with printed details and asymmetrical cuts, giving it a little layer in front. The belt is printed on, and the designs continue all the way around to the back, where the shirt is a lot longer. Her pants look like patches sewn together, with a blue fringe going down the side. She wears dark teal boots and has sculpted brown gloves. Now let's check out that articulation. She can move at the head, shoulder, elbow, wrist, hip, and knee. Yay! So this Uma is fully posable.
You have made it to the final round! Our last guest has a fiery personality and has been known to turn into a dragon on occasion. Name that descendant! Are you ready for Dragon Queen Mal? Wow! She looks just like her mother.
Mal is sporting some pretty impressive Maleficent horns here. On the back of the box, we can see the doll with her dragon wings, and there are simple instructions at the bottom. Out of the box, Mal's hair is a deep purple, and it may require a little TLC out of the box. The horns are a removable headpiece, so you could transfer it to other dolls if you like. Her eyes have a little touch of green. She has a sculpted top and a long purple skirt with a dragon on it. And there are some green printed details at the bottom. She wears dark purple shoes and has purple dragon wings that extend by pushing the lever on her back. On the front, the wings are all sparkly. She's got a pretty impressive wingspan there. Dragon Queen Mal can move at the head, the arms can go forward and out to the side at the shoulder, the legs move at the hip, and bend at the knee. And let's not forget those wings. So judging by the dolls, we can expect to see new Descendants fashion in Disney Descendants 3.
Thank you for joining us for Name That Descendant! I was your host, Naveen!
Thanks, Naveen, but you can go now. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at some of the Disney Descendants 3 dolls. I can't wait to see more! Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time for another Unbox Daily. And that's our collection for now.